Yes, beta. One more example here I have taken. 43 meter 21 centimeter, I have to convert it into centimeter. So here I will be converting only 43 meter into centimeter. Why? Because 21 is already centimeter. It is given here only. So from my table I can see that out of meter and centimeter, centimeter is smaller. So to convert bigger unit into smaller unit, I have to multiply. So here I will be multiplying 43 with 100. Why I am multiplying with 100 only? Because I know that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Then what I am doing here? I am simply adding this 21 here. Why? Because this is also centimeter. It is given in the question. And after multiplication, this is converted into centimeter. Okay, let me explain you with the help of an example. Suppose you are having 2 chocolates in one basket and 2 toffees in another basket. If I ask from you that how many chocolates do you have, so you will tell me only 2. You will not add those 2 toffees in it, because toffees are different and chocolates are different. But on the other hand, if you are having 2 chocolates in one basket and 3 chocolates in another basket, then if I ask from you that how many chocolates do you have, you will be able to tell me. You will tell that ma'am, I am having 5 chocolates. Why? Because chocolates you can add in both the baskets. You are having chocolates. So you are able to add and you are able to tell me the answer that ma'am, I am having 5 chocolates. But if you are having chocolates in one basket and toffees in another basket, you will tell that ma'am, I am having only 2 chocolates. You will not be adding those toffees in chocolates because both are different. So same way here also, this is also centimeter and this is also centimeter. So easily I can add the same things. Yes, now I will multiply. So how I will multiply? First of all, I will be multiplying 43 with 1. So 43 ones are 43. Then how many zeros are there? 2. So simply I will be putting here 2 zeros. Then plus 21 centimeter I will copy as it is. Now in the rough I will add. See, 0 plus 1, 1. 0 plus 2, 2. Here simply I will be writing 3. Here 4. So in this way I got 4321 centimeter. So in the last I can write that thus 43 meter 21 centimeter is equals to 4321 centimeter. Thank you.